Friends, in this video we are going to learn about the polysaccharide, their composition and the function. So basically the polysaccharides can be categorized into two types of polysaccharides. First is the storage polysaccharide, okay, and the second one is the structural polysaccharide, okay. So from the name it is very clear that the storage polysaccharide, they are going to perform the function of food storage, whereas the structural polysaccharide, they will provide either the protection or a structural support to the plant cells, okay. So first of all we will discuss about the storage polysaccharides. So there are three types of storage polysaccharide. First is starch, next is glycogen, and the third is the inulin, okay. So all these polysaccharides are homopolysaccharides, okay. So all these three are homopolysaccharides, okay. So the starch is composed of now we'll talk about the composition, okay. So the starch, it is composed of alpha D glucose, that is amylose and amylopectin, okay. So this is the composition, and now we will talk about the function, okay. So the starch is the main food reserve in the plant, okay. If we talk about the glycogen, this is also a homopolysaccharide, and the glycogen is composed again of alpha D glucose, okay, and it is the food reserve in animal and fungi, okay. The starch is a food reserve in the plants, okay. The third storage polysaccharide, that is inulin, it is composed of the D fructose unit, okay, and it is stored in the members of compositive family, okay. So this is all about the storage polysaccharide. If we talk about the structural polysaccharides, then they can be homopolysaccharide or they can be heteropolysaccharides. So they can be homopolysaccharide or they can be heteropolysaccharide, okay. So the homopolysaccharide ones are cellulose and chitin, okay. So the cellulose is composed of beta D glucose, whereas the chitin is composed of an acetyl glucose amine, okay. So the function of cellulose is they are present in the cell wall, okay, and provide a structural support, okay. So they are present in the cell wall of algae, plants and protists, And the chitin, it is present in the cell wall of fungi. It is also present in the exoskeleton of arthropods, like in the cockroaches, okay, and provide protection and support. Okay, now we will discuss about the heteropolysaccharides. So the heteropolysaccharides are mucopolysaccharides, glycoproteins, okay, then there is peptidoglycan also, okay. So these are the three heteropolysaccharides, okay. So first of all we'll talk about the mucopolysaccharides. Though they are composed of galactose and mannose, okay. Whereas the glycoprotein, they are composed of polysaccharide and protein, okay. And the peptidoglycan, the name itself is clear that they are composed of the polysaccharide chain that are connected with the peptides, okay. So now the roles, the mucopolysaccharides, they play role in the lubrication of joints, the surface flexibility and strength to the cornea, skin, ligaments and tendon, okay. So they will play the role of lubrication and prevent the, and they will provide the strength, okay, to cornea, skin, ligament and tendon. The glycoprotein, they will play the role in the cell recognition and play the role in protection, okay. And the peptidoglycan, it is the cell wall of the bacteria, so it is present in cell wall of bacteria, okay. So this is all in this video. I hope it is clear.